Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can set up a fund recovery website. So if you want to set up an agency where you want to help users recover back their lost funds, so this video is for you. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can set up this particular fund recovery website, how you can manage this website, and how you can set up for your clients and all that in this video. So let's go straight into the video. So this is the front end of the website. You can see here different websites. So the contents, layout, and everything be done for you perfectly. So you don't need to stress yourself about doing all that adding of content and all that in this particular website. So you can see there's some testimonials here. You can just see different testimonials here that done for you already. You can see the social media icons and all that address and everything that's done for you. So I'm going to show you guys how you can edit this particular one. You can set up the address, you can also change your logo soon. All right, so this is the homepage of the website. You can see everything is done for you perfectly. So we also have the seeing service, so say trading scams. Okay, see trading scam here, online trading scams. So you were scammed through trading, your money was lost. You can just see if you can ask question and all that. So users can actually see how this particular website actually works and all that. So that's that for this. So we also have cryptocurrency trading loss. Okay, see that all the information and content as everything done for you perfectly. You can see the images and everything. Get in touch. Okay, you can submit that. Then you can also see a review here to actually know that this platform is legit and all that. So you can see there's a total forex trading scam. All right, so you scam through forex. So you can just go through this information to actually know about all that. All right, so that's that. You can see content has done for you and everything. Just go through this. So type of forex scams and all that. So everything is there already. Okay, and we also have NFTs and scams and investment recovery. Okay, you see everything content are done for you. So it's just to explain about how uh, NFT NFT works and how you can be scammed through that and all that. So that's that for that. And we also see have the contact us page. All right. So once users come to this particular website, you can see your contact details and everything. So once they fill out this form and all this, you will receive an email that there's a new form submission and all that. So that's that. So now what we'll do now is actually submit a claim of like we lost a particular amount of money and all that. So just click on the start claim. Okay, click on that start claim there. Okay, just give it time to load. Okay, see now, please enter the approximate amount you've lost. So just say you lost about $1,000, so just put that there, 1,000. Then just click on next. Okay, now you have to choose particular platform here. So Facebook, Google, podcast, just like how you hear about us and all that. So just say click on Facebook and Instagram. So your full name, I can just say, Mike Smith. Okay, so just click on next. Your phone number, I can just put that there. So just put my number there. And click on next, and your email, you can say Mike Smith at gmail.com. All right, so just click on next. And also, how did you get back to us and all that? So, okay, how did you get scammed and all that? So, you can see by PayPal, Cash App, a bank transfer and all that. So, I was scammed by crypto transfer. So, just click on that. So, you can see review your claim. You can see just your details here. You can see on your name, your phone number, email. Just like to confirm your details before you submit it. So you will scam through method of transfer, bank transfer, and all that. So click on submit. All right. So just wait for it to load. Okay, show processing. We are processing your request and all that. So let's give it. I can see claim sent successfully. Directed shortly. So these details actually be sent to the webmail. So the webmail. So those details we send to webmail. So once you receive that information, you cannot contact the person. And also a confirmation email will be sent to the particular user to that actually fill that form. So basically that's how this website actually works. The next thing I will show you now is how to do now is how you can actually set up this for yourself and for your clients. So, okay, once you have got your domain name and hosting, log into your cPanel. Okay, just log in that. All right. So if you don't know how to get your domain name and hosting, you can contact the number in the video description to actually show you how you can get your domain and hosting. So once you have logged into your cPanel, you can see this. You see this dashboard here. So just you have to do is to click on File Manager. Click on that. All right. Once you click on that, just wait for it to load. Okay, once it loads, you'll take you straight to this dashboard, this particular section here. So you just have to scroll down and look for public underscore HTML, click on that. Then also, see this way we're going to upload it. Since this is just a test work, I will just upload this in a folder for this particular tutorial. So you can actually upload it in a subdomain, or you can create a subdomain, you can upload it in the main directory of your particular cPanel. So for this, since I'm creating opening to the folder, so I just create a new folder. I'm going to name it let's say new recovery new fonts. Okay, just new fonts like that. So to actually access, okay, all right, let me just leave that for now. So create new folder. All right, so new fonts. All right, after I look for that particular folder, let's see, new fonts, click on that. Okay, now what we'll do now is to upload that particular file that was given to you. So click on upload. All right, then just click on select, select files. Okay, select files. All right, so I'm going to look for that particular script here. So, all right, so let's see. All right, it's here. So just click on open. And just wait for it to upload. So you have to actually wait for this thing to upload successfully before you can actually proceed to anything. So you just have to wait for it to show like a little green here. So let's just wait for that. All right, as you can see here now, the file is uploaded successfully. All right, so you just have to go cancel this, don't need this anymore. So just reload this particular place and reload. You can see our folder, it's here. So just click on that and right click on that, click on extract here, extract, okay. Click on extract, just leave it like this. All right, okay, just give it time to finish extracting. All right, perfect. It has been extracted successfully. Okay, just click on close here and just reload this one more time. Then this is the folder this particular file is. So what you have to do now is you don't actually need this zip file, you just delete this. Okay, click on delete. All right, click on confirm. In this particular folder, just enter that folder. So I'm going to select everything here. Click on move. All right, so this folder here is updated reform quest. I don't actually need that folder again because I already created a folder name new font. So that will be how I can access this particular file. So to actually access this particular file on my browser, it will be my domain name slash new folder. All right, new folder. That's how I'll be able to access this particular website. But if you don't want to upload yours in a folder, you just have to clean this off like this. Then if you want to access the website on your browser, just click on search your domain name or wherever.com, then it's just access. But I don't want that since it's a test book. I'll just upload it in a folder. Yeah, so that's it. So let's click on move file here. All right, so just wait for it. All right, it's perfect. Just go back. All right, it's perfect. It has done successfully. All right, so there's an installation guide here if you want to follow that. So you can just click on this and click on edit. All right, so edit. All right, so just wait. It's load. All right, give it time to load. Okay, you can see this website is very easy to set up. There's not too much thing there to actually do. All right, so the first thing to do now is actually to download and extract the zip file in the public directory. Okay, directory or subfolder or subdomain. I've done that already. So next what we'll do now is to locate your start your claim folder. All right, so let's go do that first. Start your claim, start your claim, start your claim. Okay, use it here. Click on that, start your claim, and all right. So after doing that, click on new.php file. All right, new.php file. Click on this, click on this, click on edit. All right, so after doing that, while that's loading, and set it up using your default configuration email account in cPanel. Okay, go to line. Okay. All right, all right, all right, all right. All right, so these are my webmail details here. So these are webmail details here. So actually to create your webmail, you have to just come back here, just search on email, cPanel. So click on email accounts and right. So let's see email accounts. All right. So just wait for it to load and you just have to follow the step here. It's actually very easy to create a webmail account. So just have to put okay. All right. So I already have some here already. So just okay, I have some here. Just click on create here. All right. So create there. So basically we have to just put in the username here. All right, so we want to name this, let's say refund, to be refund at your domain name.com, or yeah, your domain name.com. So just be refund at webtext.com.ng. That will be my webmail email. So just have to put your password here. After putting your password here, just click on create, or you can also say generate a password if you want. Just generate a password if you want. So basically that's how it works. After doing that, just click on create here. Once you click on create, you will see the webmail here like this. I don't want to create anyone. So once it has been created, you see check. So I just copy this, then copy the password and save it to somewhere. So go back to your new.php file, put your host. So for most cPanel, your host might be different. So, but basically, the major host for SNTP is just your domain name with HTTPS. So just put that there. Your username is actually this email here. So just this email here. Just put that there. Then put your password. Post this file for SSL. Then 587 for TSL. So then I just put the webmail here again, then the name you want to be username. So once you send this webmail out, the username that will show should be particular name you put here. So basically that is that for that. All right, so let's go back to the installation guide and see what next. Go to line 73 and change the email to your admin email. All right, so perfect. Line 73, just go down, 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 down. All right, this email here, okay, actually 72 is if you this email here is just the email you want the form details. As I said earlier, this form details on this part on the website. Where is it? All right, so when users fill this particular form here, you want those details, the email you want those details to send to, that's the email you actually have to put there. So this form details here, user field. So if these details, you want those details to send to the email here. So you just have to put the email here. So if your email is mike@gmail.com, when users fill that particular email, that form, the email details will send to this particular email. So basically, this is how you can set up this website and how you can set up yourself. So that's all for this video, and see you in the next one. Bye for now.